This is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we asked the contractor, how much does it cost to renovate a bathroom? We also ask, what can you do to save money on a bathroom renovation project? Lastly, we define the term breaker box. Stay tuned. Today on Ask the Contractor, we'd like to know, how much does a bathroom remodel cost? John?
Well, it's a great question. First of all, let me just point out that if you go on our website, you'll get a lot of information about bathroom costs. But here's how it gets laid out. If you just want to do, let's say, a basic, simple facelift. We're going to change out the vanity top and the faucet, the mirror, vanity light, do some new paint. A project like that can start somewhere around $6,000, depending on the size of the bathroom. The next step up is just to remodel the bathroom, but keep everything in place. Keep the plumbing where it's at right now, keep the electric where it's at right now, but all new fixtures, new vanity, new tub, new shower head, and so on. Projects like that, they start at around $18,000. The next level is when you want to move some plumbing around. You want to maybe convert a tub to a shower, tile floor, nice tile on the walls, and a lot of other nice things in that bathroom. Now we're looking somewhere in the $38,000 range and up.
Now that we know how much a bathroom project generally costs, we'd like to know what ways can we save money. John?
Sure, here are three of the major ways to save money with the bathroom. Number one, do not move walls. Number two, do not move electric. And number three, do not move the plumbing. Keep things exactly where they are, just bring in brand new.
It's Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is breaker box. John, can you tell us what a breaker box is?
A breaker box goes by many names. It could be a breaker panel. It could be a service panel. It could be called a load center. It's all the same thing. It's basically the gray steel box that houses your circuit breakers. It's typically down in the garage or in a basement. However, I've seen them in bedrooms. I've seen them in kitchens. I've seen them in hallways. So it's important. Find out where your breaker box is just in case one of the circuits flips.
We hope today's video was informative. If it was, make sure to like, share, and follow our page. See you next week.